This is Chris from thetraderguy.com taking a look at Kiwi Yen as we set up for an interest rate decision 2 a.m. GMT Wednesday morning. That's 10 p.m. New York time. If you're somewhere else, I guess you'll have to figure it out. Um, at this point in time, the 81 level, when you look at longer term charts, you can see between 81 and like 82, there's been some support. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the high of the trading session here on both Monday and Tuesday as a signal that we're going higher. So 82.66, a pip or two one way or the other isn't going to make any real difference if you have that announcement come out. Now, there is the alternate scenario, and some people are going to be looking at this through the prism of, is it a rising wedge? I guess the answer is yes, and it really looked like it was going to break down during the day, but I think one of the problems that you ran into is the fact that you have this announcement, and although they're expected to raise interest rates to 2%, 50 basis points, it's going to be the statement afterwards that more than likely moves the market. So you'll have to see how hawkish the RB and Z sounds. We did kick off a bit of a rising wedge, but again, with that type of fundamental news coming out, it's a little difficult to test or to trust the move, and you can see exactly that's what's happened. So now we have a setup that, as I look at it on the 4-hour chart, you can make an argument that there's obviously a lot of resistance there. It becomes a little clearer. So breaking above there gives us more of a buy and hold feel for at least a while, probably 85 or so. Now, if we break down below 81, that could open up a revisit of the lows and possibly even down to 76 if we get some type of significant risk-off type of situation. I don't know that it gets that bad. I think there's a lot of hopium out there. But at this point in time, I'm going to be trading on one side of these lines, either short underneath here or long above there. Again, I'm going to be aiming for somewhere around 85, maybe just a little bit shy of it. And if we break down 80, and if we could break that, you're talking like 78, maybe even 76. If this trade to the downside kicks off, you'll know the whole world seems to be coming apart. So pay close attention to other markets, such as stock markets. If they continue to melt down, that's going to be pretty bullish for the yen just as a safety trade.